Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at that how we can write a related work section of a research paper using Jenni AI. The first thing we do is that we go to Jenni.ai, then we log in. After we log in, what we need to do is that we need to go to the library. In the library, we need to upload the papers that we already know that they are relevant for our research paper, and based on that, we want to write the related work section. So what I'll do is that I'll select papers from here, and then the papers are uploaded here. After that, what I need to do is that I need to go to new. Then in new, I say a document. And for example, my paper is about data exfiltration, attacks, and countermeasures. So that is the topic I'll give here. I can make selections here as well. And then I say start writing. So it has generated some text for me based on the topic that I have given. And if you need to go through it, and if it looks good to you, you can say accept. Then you see that it has cited one of the paper from these list of papers. Then again you say accept, and it will generate further text for the related work section of your paper. Again, you need to go through the text, and if it's something that you agree with or if it's relevant, you say accept, otherwise you say try again. So you see it has again cited a paper from the list of papers that you have uploaded. You can continue. Again, so for instance, it did not cite a paper and I want that a paper be cited, so I can try again. Similarly, if I accept this one, I'll go again one. So here it has cited the third paper over here. Now, once I complete and once all these papers are cited, after that, what I can do is that I can click on export, and then I can have it exported in the Word or LaTeX format. At the end, you will see that all the papers that you have uploaded, they have been cited, and you will end up with having a draft of a related work session. Here, it's important that you note that this is only a draft. You have to go through it. You have to refine it. It is just giving you a starting point for the related work section of your research paper. Thank you.